Okay, what is good, boys and girls? Testing if this thing does work. Either way, yeah, let's get back testing. This is day 335 of back testing. So without delay, let's get going. Wait, okay. I'd like to go to the next London session. Basically, I was back testing a few minutes earlier, before this. Let's remove it, bro. It's like, ah, okay. So let's go to the next London session, then maybe we can start with this. Okay, so if we check the daily looks a little bit bullish so far. We have this. Maybe if you can have a retracement, it will be great. Bro, it's Shopee. I don't have any clear liquidity around it though. Looks like we aren't getting anything. Nasdaq is screwing us back to back. Either way, I think it's better not to trade than try looking for a trade here. Next London session. Really is quite bearish. We have a small unfilled gap here. These lows here are good, and this low here. Okay, looks like we're having some good displacement lower. Bro, nothing again. Like, even on the next day. Small inversion here. 15 minute gap retracement, so I think prices could restart displacing lower. If we can displace strongly, then it will be great here, which you can see we do. So break even and bang, get a 1.85 bar. So far it's 3K, and we are at the start of, we are on the first month. We can have this gap here. I think bullishness is good. I think you can try this inverse here. Can have like price go all the way to this 15-minute unfilled. Oh, yeah, break even here. Crazy, crazy. For our quite bearish. We have this low, these lows here. I think maybe price could meet them, but we've already dropped way too much in the day, so I wouldn't love to see any more movements lower. So the 1 hour has this unfilled gap here. Okay, small 15-minute gap retracement. Then we get the inverse here. Ooh, this is not looking good. This looks like a stop out. Should have closed at least here, because it looks like we are not breaking below this low. Wanted to see solid displacement before I could close the break even, but looks like I had to wait till I can get stopped out. Okay, so around 3 days remaining before this January can end, so how's price now? Quite shocking. Nothing so far. We have a small new week opening gap, but I think this high here will be good. So maybe here you can try longs. Alright, that's a good drop. Let's see if you can have something like this and have break even here if you don't get stopped out right away. Ooh. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, break even. I think we should actually even trail it all the way here. Bang, we hit a 3R. 3R. Damn. It's a very good trade. But then that happens like rarely. Let's check the stats here and you'll see. It's 2025. In January. How you? Ooh. We had 2 red weeks and 1, 2, 3 green weeks. Huh? Why did they take 3 trades this day? Like literally why? Imagine if I can have something like this though. 50% win rate, 2R. Looks like price has been going higher recently, so maybe you might try some longs, like all the way to the high. We have this 15-minute low here. Get an SMT at these highs and then price reverses to start going lower. Thinking of trying some shorts. How's the 30-second? Look at this look at this BPR here, we trace back into it, so I think maybe we can have some good displacement lower. Let's see. Gonna get a genuinely small run here. Maybe we can have shorts. Let's try our shorts here. By the way, remember that this is consecutive encroachment of this wick. Let's see, we fell short of it. The way, maybe if you can drop to this low here, which is an unfilled 1 hour gap, it will be a good roll for a 2R kind of trade. So let's do shorts. Ooh, that was fast. And bang, get stopped out and price drops. Let's see if he goes to take profit. Okay, well that was unexpected. Look, what's this kind of movement, man? Okay, let's stop one trade a day. Let's not take any other trades because we're trying to simulate the one trade a day for months and see how it goes. So let's go to the next London session and see how it goes. Let's check the daily. We have this high here, obvious draw. We retraced a little bit into this gap here. 1 hour gap right here. -30 open. Some good move though, but yeah, the volume was low. I would like to see if we can head into this 15-minute unfilled, but price doesn't really want that. Um, we're leaving behind some low resistance though. All right, there is a good low resistance liquidity run. Okay, last day of January. Obviously the next London session. Check the 4 hour. We're just placing higher, 1 hour higher, 15. We've got this gap here, so we can displace all the way to these highs. Okay, so good 15-minute gap retracement. Let's see if we start rejecting higher. Then I could try longs. For example, now here we have a good inversion and a good displacement. 2-minute inverse as well. I think we can do longs, but then it looks like it will be a one-to-one kind of situation. Okay, what's the draw now? Looks like price is heading here. Though, okay, it's choppy, so we'll be patient with it. Ooh, this is some good movement high. Get a 5-minute inverse. Get away. We have this high here. Okay, trail. Oh, don't tell me it's going to edge those highs. And it looks like it's going to, because ES has created an SMT. Yeah, obvious break even. Okay, let's try the next day. Apparently we are getting stopped out back to back, literally back to back. Okay, what kind of drop is this? Crazy. If you can have this low, then it will be great, but I don't think we're gonna go all the way there. I can see another draw here, and I can see this right here. Or it could be good if we had to run that high first. Okay, that's good. Now, if shorts present themselves, I'm very sure I'm gonna slaughter them. Okay, 3 minute has just inversed. Okay, so we have a 5 minute holding, 3 minute is embarrassing, and looks like we have lost the hope for shorts, and looks like we could have good longs. Can try a low hanging fruit 1-to-1 kind of situation here. Yeah, I can get that. Okay, that is not working as well. Looks like the IFVG method is patched for this month, and let's try some longs. So 4 hour looks quite bullish. I mean, these previous candles were bearish, but we're in this beautiful 4 hour bullish gap. The 1 hour is also a bullish gap. We have this new week, yeah, new week opening gap. So we also have this here. Bro, let it not inverse, because if it inverses, that will be pure rage bait. I think we can try some scalps long. I marked this high here just so that I can look out for it, because there is a 5 minute gap right there. We can see if we can have a 2 hour kind of situation here. Oh, bro, what kind of 5 minute is this? Ah, crazy. Okay, on to the next one. So this 5 minute here ends up holding. This place lower, we have these gaps here. I mean, this low here, get run. So we could probably also run all the way to this low here. I'm going to tape read it and see if it will potentially go to that low. But ES is way closer to the draw than NQ. So price has been bearish since open. 1 hour is displacing lower, but it looks like we might be in discount of this price leg here. Or are we? Nope, not just yet. Except if maybe I consider this one. But yeah, we might have some potential movement higher. So I would wait for the reversal, then see if I can trade the continuation. For example, as of now, you can see that the reversal has started, but if it doesn't hold, then I'll be shorting from that bearish fair value gap, this one right here. It looks like the 15 minute is dropping. We're in the last minutes of the 15 minute. We get this cool inversion right here. Then we get some good displacement. I think we can have this low here. Stop around this high, 2R, and wait. Ooh. Bro, Let's check the stats. I'm pretty sure this is like 5 losses in a row right now. How many losses in a row so far? 5 losing days, worst streak. Damn. Let's see. I think it's a red February. Huh? Okay, let's try again. 2025, February. Yeah. 3 back-to-back full risk losing days. But, bro, look at how beautiful it delivers to the draw after stopping me out. Insane. Now, this is the stuff that kills me in the market. Like, why would it displace? Actually, well, I wouldn't say that this was strong because this is not a V shape. As you can see, it took some time for this gap to get inversed. But this one, straight away, one candle and bang. So, that quite says it. Maybe I should also consider adding displacement as a confluence, because if I have displacement as a confluence, then I will obviously be sure that this is solid movement for me to take first. So yeah, that was nuts. Next London session. We'll learn some choppy area though. I think this draw here is quite good for the session. Ooh, that's a crazy draw. You get some good 2-minute inverse. Okay, this will be the craziest RR of all time if I try to target like all the way to this high. But if we have like a 15-minute unfilled or a 5-minute unfilled, I think I will start closing like the position right there. Ooh. Bro, this this was like the 6th loss in a row. Yeah, I'm low-key giving up on London. What kind of movement is this? Oh, okay, this is not bad. Okay, I'm giving up on New York. I mean on London, even though it looks cool, but wow, V shape doesn't have like clear continuation higher. Okay, let's try the next day. Nothing just yet. Looks like we're getting some solid displacement now, and we've inversed a couple of gaps. We have this 5, not a 15, 5-minute, and we have these lows here and this gap here holding, so we could probably have some displacement like to these lows as some sort of continuation for this move. This was a break even though. So it ends up becoming protected. Cool. I think we might form some sort of okay. I wanna see how far this is. 8 losing days in a row, bro. I'm never trading London anymore. Okay, small inverse. This low here is good. Bro, we're so close to it. Bro, we're getting cooked back to back. Okay, the start of New York session. I'm in London next day. Pick the 1 hour. It's consolidating. 5-minute inverse. Bro, what kind of drop is this though? I'm not getting literally anything. There's a new day opening up here. Bro, keeping up on London. That was all for today, man. Stay blessed. Peace.